There are a lot of questions to be answered about the Monad airdrop, the allocation, who gets it, why are you not eligible. So we're gonna be looking at that in this video. We're gonna be studying everything. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. And first thing first, we jump to the laptop right here, and it's about Gravity. Now, Gravity, this is a GRVT, it's a perpetual DEX, and it is the airdrop that I would suggest you to go and enter now. So the link will be down below. There's already a point system, there's already a leaderboard. They have 22% allocated to the airdrop right now, so make sure to go and join. We see here the very nice daily growth, which are making about 1 to 1.5 billion dollars a day in perpetual DEX. As we see here, the very nice exponential growth on the weekly as well. They have a Series A with a $19 million raised by ZK Sync, Further, Eigenlayer, and 500 Global. So it's looking very good. They have already announced that they will be going on the Q1 of 2026 as their TGE. So you do have a lot of time. They are not KYC. In the past, they used to be. Now they have taken away the KYC, so everybody is able to go and join. And I've seen a lot of you in the comments saying about this one being KYC. It is no longer anymore. So make sure to go and join. The link will be down below. Super nice, 22% airdrop allocation. This is the page. As we see here, season 1 is already ended, and of those 22%, it's a 10% for season 1. For season 2 is actually more, 12%. So it's the time to go and trade, to go and earn. All you gotta do is deposit and start trading right here. Simply long and short position, just like you do on Aster, just like you do on any hyper liquid. Simply go and do it. As we see here, we go $1,400 in the bank, and we'll be going to do a few position right here. Make sure to go and join them. As we see, super nice growth, and this could actually be looking like $1 billion project at launch at TG, because they are doing things the right way as well. Guys, when it comes to trading, make sure to come and join my Telegram community. It is a free to join discussion channel. You will see it in the description below. And as we see here, we do share all the technical analysis like Aster, Pepe, Atom, Arbitrum, Render, Trump, the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, all the charts as we see right here. We do share it on a daily basis. So if you are a trader, if you want to be part on the perpetual DEX and you want to know where to trade and how to trade, make sure to come to my Telegram channel. I do give you my opinion, and my opinion only, not that I will tell you what to buy or not, but I do a few of the technical analysis to come and help you understand a little bit more of the chart. Another one which I would suggest you to go and join is Pacifica. This is on Solana, so there are two completely different things. And if you do have $1,000, put 5,000 or 500 on Gravity, 500 on Pacifica. Absolutely yes. As we see here, we have a point system as well. For both Gravity and Pacifica, I would suggest you to be able to earn the points to have at least a $10,000 day volume. And all you gotta do for that is open a simple 50x on Bitcoin or Ethereum for $200. If you deposit $500, you're good. And that is how you are able to go and do a nice, by the way, nice candle buy Bitcoin over here. So definitely go and join them. Link will be down below. This Pacifica is still on a closed beta, so the invites are less that I have at your disposal. There's only a limit that everybody can join. So make sure to join before they're gone. Gravity, on the other hand, it is not. But if we look at the two, as we see here, this is Pacifica, which actually is having less 24 hours volume right now than Gravity. So Gravity is really eating up on the competition, and it is nice to see, because Gravity is still very young, has probably less users than Pacifica. But if you want to go and join them, make sure to go and join them together. The link will be down below. These are probably the two areas that you do not want to miss in terms of perpetual DEX and super hype that there is behind it. Talking about Monad, as we see here, this is the landing page, and I will leave you a link down below, and the allocation and all of that. Well, what's happening? So first of all, make sure to connect literally everything: EVM wallet, Solana wallet, crypto, the Twitter, the email, Discord, Telegram. And why? Because I'm eligible with Twitter right here, as we see. And what is my allocation? Well, if we go and see here, it is this one. This is the your cooked allocation type style. And what does it mean? Well, there's few different position over here. So let me know your airdrop strength level down below. This one is mine, the You're Cooked, and I'm not eligible with my Solana wallet. I'm not eligible with my testnet wallet. I'm eligible with my Twitter due to either yapping about it or talking about it or saying something about it. But as we see here, we have the different tires allocation. So there are 6 tires, and it is mid, but we like you, permanent underclass, You're Cooked, community last, top 99%, and participation award. So I do believe that it goes in this order. So I'm the third best one, which is actually very, very nice. And this is supposedly what you are what is the strength. So I'm basically right here, like it's not actually bad. I'm ranked third in the leaderboard. There's 6 different classes and I'm third. I cannot complain with that. So this one seems like the first thing. Let me know if one of this one that you are, which one you are, down in the comments below. And this will determine your allocation. Yes, absolutely, in terms of numbers, in terms of token that you receive, and all of that. In terms of people that are not are not participant and are not eligible for it, as we see here, in determining criteria that could identify crypto power users, we consider that action symbols across could easily repeatedly take and instead focus on criteria that would be difficult to fake. As part of our anti-sybil effort, we purged over 27 million wallets active in the region of South Asia, primarily India. So if you are located in India, you are out. You are not eligible for this airdrop. They do not like the botting, they do not like the faking in the Indian community. So this is what is happening. The Indian community is not happening. And as we see here, they are actually hating it. There's a lot of people saying a lot of weird stuff over here in India. But on my opinion, I cannot do anything about it. Would I do something different? Probably yes, because also Indian community does make up for the crypto space, and especially the early supporter of Monad. If there is a reputation by which they go for and say, hey, we think these people are scammers and bots and all of that, it is nobody's fault. It's just the people that made it. They happen to have the. If it was Italy, the same team, I wouldn't be eligible for it because I'm resident in Italy. And if Italy is known for scamming, for botting, for all of that, probably I wouldn't be eligible, and India would be eligible. So it's uh, it's a little bit of a weird situation in terms of why did they do it, but it is what it is. Here we have that also other people that are not eligible are the Monad testnet users that are not eligible. So you did basically waste your time on a testnet. Yes, you have the 1 million nuts holder were not eligible. The Kaito yappers were not eligible. The W stakers were not eligible for the Monad airdrop. Next up, we also have the eligibility criteria by which they go for, and it is decentralized exchange users, hyperliquid users, pump fund users, virtuals, DeFi participants, CryptoPunks, Puggy Penguins, Moonbirds, DAO voters, Monad card holders, which is weird because I am a Monad card holder and I don't know what exactly this does, but okay. Legion investor, Meta DAO investor, and Fantasy top heroes. Fancy yourself for Monad for rewarding those actually add value. Yes and no. I don't know what value was added by the Monad cards, but whatever. A lot of people are calling it a scam. A lot of people are unhappy with it. A lot of people do see frustration from this protocol, from what is happening and what it is and what they actually did, especially the community over on Twitter. We also have here, which is the on-chain users which were eligible for the Monad airdrop. We have big volume decentralized exchange traders. So make sure to go and trade. You never know, for Gravity, for Pacifica, they are decentralized exchange. This is what a DEX is. And it does seem like this one were the criteria, including people on Hyperliquid and on the Phantom Wallet, big DeFi depositor on protocols like Aave, Euler, Pendle, Punky, and QTSwap, long-time OG NFT holders and owners of the Azuki, Paddles, and all that. So this looks like the on-chain users and those who actually took a stand on the Solana ecosystem, as well as the airdrop right here. So the Monad airdrop, as we see, is going to 230,000 users. 5,500 community members, which I believe it is this one. This is the community members, the Monad card users, Twitter users. That is what it is. And 225 wider crypto community. So users, again, are not getting everything, which is a shame because they did help it, yes, but it is a free money situation. So maybe they didn't want to give it to people that just farm testnet and are just hoping for some free money. I do understand it on that point of view. In a business side of things, if it was free, it was up to you to, to participate or not, and which is what it is. But we will see about that, especially when the allocation goes out. And honestly, when it comes to the allocation, as we see right here, if you go to the page, to the claiming page, which I will leave a link down below, once you have put everything up and you can go and click on share right here, you can see whether or not you're eligible and what is the level that you're eligible. If you scroll down, we have a timer. As we see here, in 13 days, the allocation will be eligible to be claimed. Now you can also reveal the allocation on October 28th, which, as we see here, you can go and reveal the allocation a little bit sooner. And the spot now I'm at, it's 58,026. So 58,000 people have asked to go and reveal their allocation on the 28th. This one, if you're eligible, does not influence the allocation that you will receive, so that you get a penalty if you want to see it a little bit earlier. You can see how many Monad token you did receive a few days in advance before the actual claiming and the TG period goes live. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and if you think Monad cooked or it was an absolute scam. With that said, I'll see you later. Ciao, guys.